What's up, guys? USA Elevators here. We're going to Tommy's Express Car Wash in Omaha, Nebraska. Shout out to Central Car Wash Channel, who has been here.
Okay, enter. Follow the signage.
This opened in December of 2018.
So which car wash we're gonna do, Roman?
We're at the basic.
We're gonna go to cashier.
The basic?
Mm-hmm.
Most
Are you sure if there's such thing as basic?
Yeah, there is.
Oh no, we'll get the quality.
You get the quality one? Okay.
Here's my card back.
Howdy,
Hi.
welcome to Tommy's Express.
Hi. Quality one. Number 4.
Number 4 quality is 1070.
Okay.
Did you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
No problem. I'll grab that for you.
Okay.
Should be all set.
I didn't know how dirty my car was until I had a
Thank you.
Got into them. We had a meeting in the morning. I got a phone meeting. And then you got
Excuse me.
dirt across your front of your skirt. I thought, well, my car's not washed because my grandson doesn't want me to wash it until he gets here. So I didn't know how bad it was. I knew the back window was.
Okay. We pull ahead.
Should be about right there.
And does that tell you when to put on neutral?
It should.
It normally does.
Oh, it does. It should be already neutral.
Neutral.
There it is.
It's funny.
Because mine always does. Because the
Mine just always does that. I don't know why it didn't say it.
She didn't say please place the car in neutral and take your foot off the brake. Got our pre-soak. Well, that smells good. Got our mirror curtain. Got another set of wraps. Got rocker panel brushes. Got our final set of side brushes. Got our spot-free rinse. Got the dryers here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I rolled my window down by accident. Sorry about that. I was trying to count how many dryers are there. So look, there may be 12 of them here. Relax and go. We got buoys over here too.
okay, where's the
Park over here in that vacuum.
vacuum's over
I
here?
have a front seat vacuum.
Way back.
There's not too bad. It's not too bad, but like I said, I just did it the last time. You gonna run the vacuum, Roman?
Yes, after I walk around.
Okay, that's right.
Excuse me. This does an awesome job. Well, for a basic wash, it did an awesome job on the rocker panel blasters and the tire shine. Oh. To operate the vacuum, you have to press the button. Wait, maybe that's the wrong one. So the front went very good. And the top. Oh, you can also get a look from over here. Come here. So you have the free mat washing station here and the molded mat washer here. This only made for rubber floor mats. Might be hard to see. Well, the wash must have stopped. That was Tommy's Express Car Wash in Omaha, Nebraska. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos come out. If you leave a comment, I will try to answer back. Thank you so much for watching, and that is it.